Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter coordinate geometry, that is three-dimensional coordinate geometry. Before that we should refresh our minds, and so let's do Brahma dance. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the fundamentals of three-dimensional coordinate geometry, distance formula, direction distance formula, section formula, okay, centroid and direction cosines also. Today we are going to discuss the direction ratio, but I want to discuss the previous concept, that is direction cosines, because direction cosines and direction ratios are correlated. That's why in single period direction ratio and direction cosines are simultaneously or at a time or at a particular class should be discussed. So that's why I want to discuss about the previous concept, that is direction cosines. Okay, so what is direction cosine? Direction cosines, direction cosines, that is short form is DCS of a line, DCS of a line. Actually what is meant by DCS, direction cosines? The meaning of this literal meaning is, that is cosine related angles. Direction means what? Angle. Direction cosines means what? Cosine related angles. That is called direction cosines, that is literal meaning. Okay, so this is what, this is the system, three-dimensional coordinate system. This is origin and this is z-axis. Z-axis is like this towards us, and this is x and y, and this is z. Suppose this line, a line passing through the origin, this is suppose straight line passing through origin, and makes angle alpha with positive direction of x-axis, and make beta, angle beta with positive direction of what? Y-axis, and this is what? This is gamma with positive direction of z-axis. So the meaning of direction cosines means it is the cosine angle of the lines made by the line and the coordinate axis, that is direction cosines. So definition is what? If alpha, beta and gamma are the angles made by the line with positive direction of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called direction cosine, DCS of the line, DCS of the line. DCS of the line is denoted by DCS of the line denoted by L, M, N like this, or this sharp bracket, that is LMN, not common bracket, it is sharp bracket. Okay, LMN, that is L is equal to what? That is L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma here. Okay, so if alpha, beta, gamma are DCS of a line, then also minus alpha, minus beta, if L, M, N are DCS of a line, then what? Then minus L, minus M, minus N also DCS of that line. Clear? One note is here, if that is L, M, N are DCS, note if L, M, N, if L, M, N are DCS of a line, then minus L, minus M, minus N are also DCS of that line in opposite direction. Okay, because if alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by the positive axis, then pi minus alpha, another angle is what? Pi minus alpha, pi minus beta, pi minus gamma. So cos pi minus alpha is equal to minus cos alpha, cos pi minus beta is equal to minus cos beta, cos pi minus gamma is equal to minus gamma. So that is minus L, minus M, minus N are DCS of that line also. So another line, another note, what is DCS of x-axis? What are the DCS of x-axis? Suppose this is x-axis, and this is y-axis. Okay, suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and this is what? And this is z-axis. Clear? This is z-axis. This is suppose line. The markers, suppose the markers are the coordinate axis and the pen is the line. Suppose. Then this is a alpha, this angle is alpha, and this angle is what? This angle is beta, and this angle is gamma. So DCS are cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Now the question is, what is the direction cosine of the x-axis? Suppose this is x-axis. Now alpha is what? Angle between x-axis and itself. 0. So cos 0 is equal to what? 1. Now beta is equal to this. Angle. Beta equal to 90 degree. Gamma is equal to 90 degree. So cos 90 is equal to what? Cos 90 equal to 0. Cos 0 here 1. And that is alpha equal to 0. So cos 0 equal to 1. And beta is equal to 90 degree. Cos beta equal to what? 0. Gamma is equal to 90 degree. And cos gamma is equal to what? 0. So DCS of x-axis is equal to what? DCS of x-axis is equal to 1, 0, 0. Now DCS, that is note DCS of x-axis. DCS means direction cosines. DCS of x-axis are what? DCS of x-axis are 1, 0, 0. This is not common bracket, this bracket. Okay. Similarly, DCS of y-axis are what? 0 1 0. DCS of z-axis are what? 0 0 and 1. Okay, now one question. If a line makes 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree with positive direction of the coordinate axis respectively, then DCS of the line are dash. This is the question. Okay, according to question, solution is according to question alpha is equal to 30 degree, beta is equal to 6 degree, gamma is equal to 90 degree. Now L is equal to cos alpha. Alpha means 30 degree. Cos 30, that is equal to what? Root 3 by 2. M is equal to cos beta. Beta means what? 60 degree, which is equal to 1 by 2. N is equal to cos gamma means 90 degree. Cos 90 equal to 0. So DRS, therefore DCS are what? DCS are root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, or you may write root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, like this. Okay, now relation between DCS and a point. Let us discuss a relation between DCS and a point. A relation between DCS and a point. A relation between DCS and a point x, y, z. Okay, relation between DCS and a point x, y, z. Suppose this is what our coordinate system, that is 3-dimensional coordinate system, and this is y, this is origin, and this is z axis. Suppose any point here P of what? X, y, z, and the length is suppose r. This point is P, so this length is suppose r. Okay, the line makes alpha degree with x axis, beta with what? Y axis, and gamma with what? Z axis. So let P of x, y, z be any point in space. Let O be the origin and OP distance is equal to suppose r. Let the line of P max. Let alpha, beta and gamma are the angles made by OP and positive direction of the coordinate axis, that is x axis, y axis and z axis. Okay, so draw a perpendicular here, m, that is another perpendicular to here and another perpendicular to the z axis, which is impossible to draw because it is 3D figure. So it is a plane, so 3D figure cannot be drawn on the plane. So just imagine this is z axis, okay, and this is the point. Draw perpendicular here, draw perpendicular to here, okay. Now LA equal to cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are DCS, okay. Now in figure, in triangle OPM, cos alpha is equal to what? OM distance by OP distance. What is OM distance? OM distance is equal to x. So cos alpha is equal to x by r. Okay. So cos alpha means L is equal to x by r. L is equal to x by r, or we can say x is equal to LR. X is equal to LR. Similarly, since alpha is related to x axis and beta is related to what? Y axis. Beta is related to y axis. So beta is related to what? Y axis. Beta. So and beta is related to y axis, m is related to cos beta. So m is equal to what? M is equal to y by r. Similarly, m is equal to y by r, or y is equal to m into r, n equal to z by r, or we can say n is equal to what? ZR. These are the relation between the DCS and the point coordinates of the points. Okay. Now one very important property related to DCS. Now this is the relation between DCS and a point, that is what? X is equal to LR, y is equal to MR and z is equal to what? NR. This is the relation between point and DCS. Now theorem, very important theorem or property, very important theorem or property, that is property is what? If LMN are DCS of a line, property of DCS, properties of DCS, if LMN, if L comma M comma N are DCS of a line, then L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. This is the properties of the DCS. As you know in previous concept, proof. Let this is P of x, y, z be any point. Same figure. Let P of x, y, z be any point, and O be the origin. Let OP distance is equal to R, which is equal to root over x square plus y square plus z square. We know from previous concept what? X is L equal to x by r, y is equal to m by r, and z is equal to n by r. So left hand side, that is what? L square plus m square plus n square. L square means what? X square by r square plus y square by r square plus z square by r square. So taking LCM r square, so x square plus y square plus z square is equal to what? That is equal to r square by r square, which is equal to 1. Hence proved. If how to identify the DCS and square, then add. If it is 1, then 3 numbers are DCS, otherwise not DCS. Okay. Now what is direction ratio of the line? Direction ratio means set of 3 real numbers which are proportional to the direction cosines are called what? DCS of the line, DRS of the line. What is DRS? Direction ratios. Direction ratios means what? The set of 3 real numbers which are proportional to the direction cosines are called direction ratios. Okay. So let's discuss about direction ratio. Direction ratios. Its short form is what? Its short form is this DRS, means direction ratios. Short form DRS of a line. DRS of a line. Okay. The set of let A comma B comma C are set of 3 real numbers which are proportional to, suppose these are proportional to the direction cosines, then ABC are called direction ratios. Okay. If L, M, N are DCS of a line and A, B, C are 3 real numbers such that L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C, then A, B, C are called direction cosines, direction ratios, and its short form is DRS. So DRS is what? ABC or DRS. So that is, we can say the set of 3 real numbers, the set of 3 real numbers which are proportional to the DCS of the line, then 3 real numbers are DRS of the line. Now what is the relation between DCS and DRS? The DCS may be DRS, but DRS may not be DCS. What? DCS may be DRS and DRS may not be DCS. Okay. Note, DCS may be DRS, but DRS may not be DCS. Okay. DCS is unique, but DRS is infinite. So DRS of x-axis is what? K0, 0, y-axis 0, K0, and z-axis 0, 0, K, etc. Now relation between DRS and DCS. A relation between DRS and DCS. DRS means what? Duration ratios. DCS means duration cosines. Let L comma M comma N, let L comma M comma N be DCS and A comma B comma C be DRS of a line. Okay, then by definition of DRS, that is what? L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C. That implies let L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C. Suppose this is K. Now here L is equal to A into K, M is equal to B into K, and N is equal to C into K. Now L square plus M square plus N square is equal to what? We know L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. We know L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. What is L here? That is AK. So A square K square, B square K square, C square K square is equal to 1. So that implies take common K square. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1, or is equal to what? R is equal to K square is equal to 1 by A square plus B square plus C square. This is B. Now K is equal to plus or minus 1 by root over A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, now L is equal to what? L is equal to what? L is equal to A into K. K means what? That implies L is equal to, this is A by plus or minus root over A square plus B square plus C square. M equal to B into K. So K equal to, so that is 1 by something, 1 by this. So B by plus or minus root over A square plus B square plus C square. N is equal to C by that is equal to C by root over what? Plus or minus A square plus B square plus C square. Either you may write, that is what? That is, you may write L is equal to either plus sign, use either plus sign or minus sign simultaneously. Okay, now one question that is, find if 2, 3, minus 1 are the DRS of the line. If one question is that if 1, 2, minus 3 are DRS of the line, then find DCS of that line. Solution, that is A, B, C, DRS is equal to what? 1, 2, minus 3, Now here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 3. So root over a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 9. 1 plus 4 plus 9, root over 14. So DCS L is equal to a by root over a square plus b square plus c square, that is 1 by root over 14, root over 14. M is equal to b by root over what? A square plus b square plus c square. So b is equal to what? 2 by root over 14. And n is equal to c by root over a square plus b square plus c square. So minus 3 by root over 14. Okay. Therefore DCS are what? 1 by root 14 and 2 by root 14 and minus 3 by root 14. Okay, these are the DCS. Okay, now some notes. If KA, KB, KC are DRS of a line, then we can say A, B, C are also DRS. Region is what? We know as region L by KA, M by KB, N by KC. So K goes cancel, remaining here ABC. So ABC are also DRS. Okay. Now some questions related to DRS and DCS. Okay. Before that we should derive a formula, DRS of a line joining 2 points. Okay, DRS of line joining 2 points. Now DRS of line joining 2 points. Direction, ratios of line joining 2 points. The direction ratio of the line passing through the point. The direction ratios of line passing through the points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. This is the formula to find direction ratio of line if 2 points are given. Okay. Then proof is what? Now proof. This is the coordinate system. This is x and this is y and this is z and this is origin. Suppose the line is like this. This is a x1 y1. This is what? A x1 y1 z1 and b x2 y2 and z2. Clear? And this is what? Draw the perpendicular here. So this is what? PQ suppose, and this is suppose MN. This is M. Okay. From the figure, this is what? OP is equal to total. This region is equal to what? X1, and total region equal to what? X2. Therefore this region is PQ region is what? PQ region is x2 minus x1. So this is also x2 minus x1. This region is also what? This region is also x2. This length is also x2 minus x1. Clear? From the figure, and this is suppose alpha. This is alpha. Let A be the points. Let A and B, A of what? A of x1, y1, z1 and B of x2, y2, z2 be 2 points on a line, Okay, let AB max angle, AB max angle alpha, beta, gamma with x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Now from figure, in figure what? In figure, that is respectively here. In figure in triangle ABM cos alpha is equal to what? Cos alpha is equal to AM distance by what? AB distance. So cos alpha is equal to cos alpha, that is what? Cos alpha, that is L is equal to what? L is equal to, that is L equal to here. L is equal to AM means what? That implies L is equal to AM distance means what? x2 minus x1 by AB distance. Similarly, drawing the normals from the point P. Similarly, drawing perpendiculars drawing perpendiculars from the point P, from the extreme points, from the points A, B on y-axis and z-axis. We will get M is equal to what? M is related to y-axis. So M is equal to y2 minus y1 by AB, and N is equal to what? N is equal to z2 minus z1 by AB distance. This is what? Now AB distance is equal to here AB distance is equal to what? AB distance is equal to x2 minus x1 by L. This is suppose equation 1, and here AB distance is equal to what? Here AB distance is equal to y2 minus y1 by M. This is equation 2, and here AB distance is equal to what? AB distance is equal to z2 minus z1 divided by N. This is equation 3. From equation 1, 2, 3, from equation 1, 2 and 3, what is here? That is x2 minus x1 by L is equal to y2 minus y1 by M is equal to what? z2 minus z1 by N, or we can say that is L by x2 minus x1, M by y2 minus y1, N by z2 minus z1. Therefore, by definition of the direction ratio, the numbers which are proportional to the direction cosine these numbers are called direction ratios. Okay, here x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 are proportional to the direction cosines of the line LMN. That is therefore DRS are what? x2 minus x1. Therefore DRS are what? Therefore DRS is equal to x2 minus x1, x2 minus what? Therefore DRS are what? x2 minus x1. Therefore DRS are x2 minus x1. From this now DRS, therefore DRS, write this after this line. Okay, after this line write this line. So DRS is equal to what? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. This is the formula to calculate direction ratio. This is the formula to calculate direction ratio if 2 points are given. Direction ratio of line if 2 points are given. So now one question related to this concept. One question related to, if the direction ratios is given, then we can find the direction cosines. Okay, if direction ratios are given, then we can find the direction cosines. One question related to this concept, find the direction ratio and direction cosine. Find question is find the direction ratios or and direction cosines of a line passing through the points 2, 3, 1 and minus 1, 4, 6. This is the question. Solution is what? Solution, we know here given points. Here given 2 points on the line, that is what? 2, 3, 1 and minus 1, 4, 6. This is suppose x1, y1, z1 and this is x2, y2, z2. Clear? We know direction ratio. DRS is equal to what? Which formula? That is x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 2, y2 means 4 minus 3 and 6 minus 1. So this is equal to minus 3 and this is 1 and this is 5. This is the DRS. So this is A and this is B and C. Now to find DCS, we know for DCS, if DRS is given, first we have to find root over A square, B square, C square. Now find root over A square plus B square plus C square. That is 9 plus 1 plus 25. Okay, so this is equal to root over 35. So DCS formula is what? DCS L is equal to A by root over A square plus B square plus C square. A means what? Minus 3 by root over 35. M is equal to B by root over A square plus B square plus C square. So this is M means B means 1. So 1 by root over 35. N is equal to what? C by root over A square plus B square plus C square. So A means what? C means 5 by root over what? 35. Clear? Then some questions related to direction cosines and direction ratios. Let us discuss some questions related to direction cosine and direction ratios. Now the question is, if question number 1, there are 2 bits. If a line makes angles alpha, beta, gamma with positive direction of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, and z axis. What is the value of sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma and cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma. So solution of question number 1, alpha, beta, gamma are the direction angles, directed angles, that is angles between a line and the coordinate axis. So cos square LMN are the direction quotients, that implies what? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Convert into sine form. So this is equal to what? 1 minus sine square alpha plus 1 minus sine square beta plus 1 minus sine square gamma is equal to 1. Yet 3 minus what? 3 that implies 3 minus bracket sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma is equal to 1. That implies sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma is equal to what? 3 minus 1, that is 2. Now second bit is what? If BCS of line are what? This. Then second bit cos. Now second bit 2. This is bit 1 complete. This is for bit 1 and bit 2 is equal to what? Cos 2 alpha, second bit cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma. Now cos 2 alpha is equal to what? 2 cos square alpha, 2 cos square alpha minus 1 plus 2 cos square beta minus 1 plus 2 cos square gamma minus 1. So 2 common here, that is what? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma minus 3. So this is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3, that is equal to 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus 1. So question number 1 is over, that is first bit and second bit both are completed. Now question number 2. Solution of 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 question number 2, that is 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, k by 7 are DCS. Okay, are DCS. So that is L is equal to this, we know L square, we know this is L, this is M and this N. We know L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, that is 4 by 49 plus 9 by 49 plus k by square by 49 is equal to 1. So 13 plus k square is equal to 49. So k square is equal to what? 49 minus what? 13, that is 36. K square is equal to 36, that implies k is equal to what? K is equal to 6, that is plus or minus 6. K is equal to plus or minus 6. Okay, this is the answer. Now what is answer of third question? Answer of third question is what? Answer of third question. Question number 3. The line is equal inclined with coordinate axis, means according to question, the line is equally inclined with coordinate axis, that is alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. So cos alpha is equal to cos beta is equal to cos gamma. Cos alpha is equal to cos beta is equal to cos gamma. We know cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Here cos square alpha, that is what? Cos square alpha plus cos square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. Now 3 cos square alpha equal to 1. Cos alpha is equal to 1 by plus or minus 1 by root 3. Okay. Cos alpha is equal to plus or minus. So DCS are what? So DCS are, therefore DCS are, that is plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus, this is plus or minus, and 1 by this is plus or minus root 3, and 1 by this is plus or minus root 3. This is the solution of this question. Okay. Now these are the some questions related to what? Related to direction ratio and direction cosines. Now one more questions. If a line, another question, that is question number 4. If a line makes 45 degree with x-axis, 60 degree and 60 degree with y-axis, what angles, and what angle does it makes with z-axis? This is the question. Okay, this is the question. So alpha is equal to solution, alpha is equal to 45 degree, beta is equal to 60 degree. See, question is what? Gamma is what? Now we know cos square alpha, this is, we know cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to what? 1. This is cos square alpha means cos square what? 45. Cos square 45 plus cos square what? 60 degree plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square, that is 1 by 2, and 60 is equal to what? 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4, plus cos square gamma is equal to 1, that is 3 by 4. 2 LCM here, 4 LCM, 2 plus 1, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So cos square gamma is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, that is 4 minus 3, what is 1 by 4, and cos gamma is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Now gamma is equal to what? Now gamma is equal to what? 30 degree, gamma is equal to 60 degree or 120 degree. This is the answer, 60 degree or 120 degree. These are the some problems related to direction ratios and direction cosines. And in next video, in next class, we will discuss about the projection formula, angle between two lines and problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.